All right, now this is perfect for when you're wanting to change colors of something. Once again, when we're using a cut screen, all this is doing is for our own visual of being able to see how the project is going to look when it is completed. So when I click on this, as you can see, it doesn't really give me the option of picking a color because there's 3 colors. So if I want to change the hearts to red, I'm going to have to come over here and click directly on this one layer. And now I can go here to my line type where the color is and make it red. So now we have red hearts. And I can do the same with the other options. So for the rather sewing part with the big heart, we can change that, and maybe we want to make that this light yellow. So as you can see, we're able to manipulate our colors so that we can see what it will look like when we're creating our project. Now, if we were to take this and change it into a draw, it's showing you exactly how it's going to draw. It's only going to draw the outlines. It's not going to fill these in. But now over here, what we can do is change these colors so we can make it look how we want. This does affect your final project because this is going to tell you what pen to load in. So we're going to do that, and then let's change the hearts. We'll change those. We'll find a cute pink. Let's do, oh, this raspberry's nice. All right, so now you can see all of our colors are different, and when we go to make it, now do you see how it's separated everything onto different mats and everything like that? If we want it to draw all together, we need to come over here, select all of these, and we want to attach them. So we'll get more into attach later, but when you're using your different colors, we want to attach those because then when we click make it, it's all together on one mat and it's going to draw all together like this. Now, if we click continue, it's going to pull up our machine and it's going to tell us what to do first. So the first color that it needs us to add is the raspberry pen into clamp A. Then down here, it tells us additional tools. We're also going to need the midnight pen and the red pen. And then what will happen is when you go to cut, the machine will actually tell you which pen to put in when. It will stop, the machine will flash, and it will tell you load midnight pen, load red pen. So it really does walk you through this very easily. So if you just follow the prompts on there, it will tell you exactly what you need to do to make sure that your project turns out exactly how you want it to.